initial test fit of an Oregon 20-inch bar, all for pulling. And the pitch of the chain is correct. It seems to be working pretty well. I gotta see, using the bar plates, exactly where the oil chamfer needs to be. I'll probably have to modify it in order for it to oil properly. We'll see how it goes. Okay, some wipe off. See it a bit cleaner. Using a small Dremel. Cut a little chamfer, a little line between where the bar plate and the oiler go. Gives me a decent line so the bar now oils. Against it. Check your work. Just one on the oiler. And out the top she comes. See that right there? As it fills the bench with oil. It's a bit messy, but it'll work. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Okay, this is an Oregon 200 PXD D176RU. They sell them in combinations. I pick it up at Lowe's. And the bar and chain combos. Slap this on, see what we get. Start it up, see if she oils properly. And there's definitely oil.